I wonder if there's a pranayama to keep bugs away from you. Because I'm getting absolutely ransacked in the face right now. They're going for the eyes, the ears, the nose, the mouth. The thing is, I think it's breathing that attracts the bugs. I think I heard that somewhere. They like the CO2 or something. But yeah. Oh my gosh. Look at that beast. What is that? It looks savage, whatever. Moving along. Remember to make sure. Even if there's weird bugs lurking around. Just pay him no mind. Move along. Alright, getting to the end of the trail. Remember to leave your shillelagh where you left it, or where you found it. Be respectful. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.